breaking right now for MB. I got 1 2013 Press Pass Redline Racing and 2 2013 Press Pass Showcase Racing. Good luck. We'll start with Redline. Thanks for the order, MB. Sorry for the wait, bud. I was out there doing some stuff. I rushed back to open up some NASCAR, man. I want to get some big hits. Let's get a 101. Who are we looking for, MB? Who are we? Anyone in particular we're looking for? Carl Edwards, Kevin Harvick, Tony Stewart, Carl Edwards, Clint Boyer, Jimmy Johnson, Kyle Busch. 21 of 75, Fire Suit Sheet Metal Tire, Danica Patrick, 21 of 75. 1 of 50, part of a shoe, Ryan Newman. Auto right here, Matt Kenseth, 21 of 25, Matt Kenseth. 21 of 25, Matt Kenseth. And out of 50, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Let's go to pack number 2 from Redline. Newman, Kenseth, Biffle, Dillon, McMurray, Harvick, Jeff Gordon, Intensity. 24 of 50, Fire Suit Ricky Stenhouse Jr., 24 of 50. Sheet Metal Auto out of 75, Kevin Harvick. And out of 99, Jamie McMurray. 61 of 99, Jamie McMurray. That was Redline. Let's go to Showcase. Got 2 boxes of Showcase. Kind of switched it up today. Switched up the order. I like that. Coming up at 3 is Panini Playbook. We'll do that, and then we'll get to all your live breaks. Keep sending those live break orders. We'll break until the orders stop. 14 of 50, Marcos Ambrose. 14 of 50, Marcos Ambrose. Who is that? Okay, they're all the same person. I was going to say 25 of 75, Marcos Ambrose. Race Used Sheet Metal. Out of 349, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Out of 349, Brad Keselowski. Out of 99, Jeff Gordon. Decoy. Out of 299, Dale Earnhardt Jr., 14 of 249. 4 of 5, Jimmy Johnson right here. Fire Suit Sheet Metal Shoe and Glove, 4 of 5, Jimmy Johnson. Out of 349, Joey Logano. Out of 349, Greg Biffle. Out of 349, Mark Martin. Out of 299, Danica Patrick. Out of 50, Race Used Sheet Metal, Marcos Ambrose Auto. Out of 50, Marcos Ambrose. Marcos Ambrose, he's the man today, 349. Kyle Busch, 349. And Paul Menard, 9 to 10. Paul Menard, 9 to 10. Come on. Alrighty, who do we got here? 20-25, Jeff Gordon. 20-25, Jeff Gordon. We got another box of Showcase Racing. These are sick boxes. I mean, actually, you open them up, just like the actual construction, it's pretty cool looking. It's like a little, I don't know, like a little coffin for cards. See? On its back. All right. 8 of 13, Kevin Harvick. Out of 299, Danica Patrick. Matt Kenseth out of 35, Sheet Metal and Fire Suit. 8 of 35, Masterpiece Inc. Out of 349, Jeff Gordon. Out of 349, Jeff Burton. Out of 349, Bobby Labonte. Out of 299, Jimmy Johnson. Out of 75, Fire Suit and Sheet Metal, Danica Patrick, 58 of 75. For Joe Gibbs Racing, Kenseth, Hamlin, and Busch out of 349. Out of 349, Trevor Bayne. Out of 99, 1, Pablo Montoya. Out of 299, Danica Patrick. Out of 99, Race Use Sheet Metal, Mark Martin. Out of 349, one Pablo Montoya. Out of 349, Ryan Newman. Out of 99, Dale Earnhardt Jr. There we are. Thanks for the order, MB. Always love bringing some NASCAR with you. Thanks, bud. I'll get these packed up and shipped out for you.